So if you're currently not making any money with your sales funnel, you're going to want to watch this entire video. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John, and if this is the first time you come across my channel, welcome. On this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if you have a laptop and you have an internet connection, I can show you how to take those two things and turn it into cold hard cash. So you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McDill icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click the notification so that you don't miss any of my future Make Money Online videos. Now guys, in this video today, I actually wanted to dig a little deeper into the sales funnel, because this is an actual term that is thrown around in the affiliate marketing, internet marketing space a whole lot. And a lot of you guys that are currently watching this video may have ClickFunnels or lead pages or some sort of software that can create a sales page, but maybe you don't know how to use it. Maybe you don't understand how you can actually take that software and convert it into cash. Maybe you have a funnel up currently, but it's not actually generating you leads and sales. So what I want to do in this video today is I want to kind of go through a couple tips and strategies that you can actually deploy with your sales funnel to actually make that sales funnel generate leads and sales for your actual business. Before we actually jump into the content of this video, if you want to learn how I'm actually generating income with my affiliate marketing business, I'll actually have a link in the description. It'll actually teach you how to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. You can actually check it out in that first link in the description. So let's go ahead and get started with this video, how you can actually start generating income with your sales funnel. All right guys, so let's going to jump right into the video. We're going to be talking about today how to actually generate income with a sales funnel. Now what I like to do is I like to correlate your sales funnel to actually having your first kiss. Now, a lot of you guys that are watching this video, you know how special that first kiss may be. So you want to make sure that when you're like a guy or like a girl, that when you have that first kiss, it's not a bad first kiss, because if it is, it may be awkward, and then that other person may be a little turned off by you, and they may not actually want to deal with you again. So your sales funnel is kind of like having your first kiss as well. Because if someone comes to your website or comes to your funnel and they don't really like what they see, you're not putting your best foot forward, the information isn't really good, then they're probably just going to leave your website or your sales funnel and not come back. And even if they actually go through your funnel, if the information isn't good and valuable and presented in a way that solves their problems, you're not going to actually make any sales. So they have to be engaged, the content has to be valuable to the person that's actually going through the funnel in order for you to actually make sales. So that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. We're going to be discussing, the 3 things that you need to have and do within your sales funnel to ensure that you have engaged prospects and you get sales at the end of that funnel. So there's actually 3 main factors that you need to be focused on when you're actually trying to generate income with your sales funnel. Number 1, that's the headline. Number 2 is the lead magnet, and number 3 is bridging the gap. And so we're going to go through each one of these things very quickly. So we're going to start off with the actual lead magnet, because everything kind of starts from this first piece of content. Just like we just talked about the first kiss, how special and important that first kiss is. Well, that correlates to your lead magnet. So your lead magnet needs to be very good. It needs to be high quality, because that's going to set everything up for the whole sales funnel and how that actual lead converts into actual dollars in your pocket. So there's 3 things that you need to focus on when you're creating your lead magnet. And those 3 things, I call them the 3 P's. It's the problem, the promise, and how are you going to present your actual lead magnet. So the problem is actually having to do with knowing your actual market and your core audience. So what you need to do with the problem portion of your lead magnet is you need to make sure that you've clearly identified a core problem that your audience has. So that may be getting more leads, that may be making more sales, that may be minimizing technical issues. So what is your actual promise? In your promise, you need to provide a simple promise to your prospects that will bring them closer to solving their problems. That's it. So whatever their issue is, whether it's getting more leads, whether it's making more sales, whether it's minimizing technical issues, you need to provide a promise in your lead magnet that is going to help them solve that problem. And then how do you actually present that lead magnet to them? How do you deliver it? It needs to be something that is quick, something that is easily digestible, something that is short. So we're talking about a short video, PDF, templates. And again, this is just something that's going to be quick and simple, easy to digest for the prospect to actually get a problem solved very fast, and prompts them to want to take more action throughout your funnel so that they're more engaged, and it's going to increase the probability of you actually making a sales when you actually pitch them. So the second thing that we're going to be actually tackling is the actual headline, crafting the perfect headline. The headline is extremely important because this is the first thing that your prospect is actually going to see on the squeeze page. So this is actually going to prompt them to either leave your page altogether, or they're going to go ahead and enter in their email address. So what you want to do, it kind of goes back to, again, knowing your target market and knowing your audience. And there's certain triggers that are going to prompt them to take action. So we're going to be kind of discussing some of these positive trigger words and some of these negative trigger words within like the affiliate marketing, internet marketing space specifically. And we're going to try to put together a good headline that may pique a lot of curiosity and make people want to opt into a squeeze page. So when we're discussing affiliate marketing, internet marketing, what are some positive trigger words that people want to hear or see when they come to a page? Well, if you get into the minds of an affiliate marketer, of a newbie that's just starting out on the internet, what do they want? At the end of the day, as an affiliate marketer, as a newbie affiliate marketer, what exactly do you want? You want to get more sales. You want to make more money. You want to get more leads. You want to quit your job. You want to have more time with your friends and family. Those are positive trigger words that every affiliate marketer, online business person wants to have. Well, what are some negative trigger words? Because negative trigger words can also prompt action because it prompts emotion, right? So some negative trigger words would be spending money on advertising. Most affiliate marketers don't want to spend a dime on ads. Most people think that affiliate marketing is too hard to learn, or they have this fear of failure. So they have all these preconceived notions in their head that, this is too hard, it has too much risk, it's too much money, I don't want to spend money on advertising and I lose the money. So these are all things, again, that are going to be negative words that are going to prompt action or prompt an emotion. So what you want to do in crafting the perfect headline is you want to somehow mesh some positive trigger words with some negative trigger words to make one cohesive, perfect headline that's going to prompt those prospects. When they hit that page, they're going to read your headline and they're going to be like, man, I got to get this lead magnet because this is exactly what I need. Again, very important knowing what your target market is. So I've actually crafted a quick headline for this purposes of this video, and I come up with a combination of some positive trigger words and some negative trigger words. And so here is the headline that I came up with real quick. It says, for newbies, ultimate video training to making more sales online without spending money on ads. For newbies, the ultimate video training to making more sales online without spending money on ads. You see how I meshed some positive trigger words with the negative trigger words? So I said, hey, I know what you want. You're an affiliate marketer. You're striving to be an affiliate marketer, and I know you want to make more sales. So I have a video training that's going to show you how to make more sales, and you hate spending money on advertising, right? So I'm also going to show you in this training how to make money without spending money on ads. You got me. I'm opting in now. They're trying to get my video training. So that, my friends, is the perfect headline, right? So that's the perfect headline. So then what you need to do next is bridge the gap. So that comes to the content that you actually have in your actual lead magnet. So what you want to do is once you pick your core offer, you're going to be pulling from the features, the benefits, what are all the benefits that come within that product, and you want to lay it out in a simple format in your lead magnet. So the ideal formatting would be like a 10 to 15 minute video tutorial, a 15-page PDF, cheat sheets, templates. All you want to do again is bridge the gap from the squeeze page, because you got them to opt in with that perfect headline. Now you want to give them some more valuable content in a short, quick, concise format that they can digest and actually learn something. So you definitely want to, do your due diligence, do your research, and make sure that the content that you're putting into the actual lead magnet is going to actually help them and get them a little closer to their desired result. So what I like to bring to your attention next is a product that I recently reviewed. It's called Funnelize. And what Funnelize is a whole training program on how to make money with sales funnels. So it's going to go into some of the information that I went over today, much more in depth, plus a whole lot more. And basically kind of just go through very quickly what the training is in Funnelize. Basically, it has 8 funnel blueprints to follow, including case studies and live demos of each. So basically, it's going to give you 8 different sales funnel models that you can actually model and actually take you through step by step how do you create those funnels. And it has live demonstrations, the whole walkthrough on how you put those funnels together. And I'll show you those funnels here in a second. It has over 35 plus training videos, 25 cheat sheets and PDFs, full case studies, walkthroughs of each funnel. You're gonna learn how to become an email marketer like a pro. So it has email marketing training in here. And again, this is newbie friendly. So when you first log into Funnelize, there is a Facebook group and support here. So if you have any questions or need some support, you can definitely get involved in both of these areas. But at the beginning, you're basically just going to have like an introduction on like how funnels work, the fundamentals of making funnels. And the rest of the program is basically in-depth blueprints and walkthroughs on how to create the perfect funnels. So there's multiple funnels in here, like I stated earlier. So there's the perfect lead funnel, there's the funnel gateway, the tripwire funnel, the webinar funnel, the launch funnel, the mega ticket funnel, that's like for selling high ticket products, the offline client funnel, the tagging funnel. Then there's targeting, retargeting training. So there's some traffic training in here, some email marketing training, and then how to actually start taking action on your actual blueprints. So this is a training program I would definitely recommend. Again, it was over 35 videos of just pure content, PDFs, cheat sheets, really just breaking down on how you can actually create some of these sales funnels. Some of my personal favorites were the tripwire funnel, the affiliate funnel, and the mega ticket funnel, again showing you how to sell higher ticket products and services. So if you guys are interested in this course, I'll actually have a link to this product for Funnelize in the description of this video as well. So that's all I have for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not actually generating any income with your business, make sure that you actually look at some of the components that we talked about today. Look at your headline, look at those positive and negative trigger words. Make sure you're talking directly to your target market and actually know what are some of those key pain points that your target market is having and what is the actual ultimate solution that they want. And that's going to help you guys move prospects into paying customers in your sales funnel. So this is John from johnpreneur.com. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.